Hello, everyone. It's a good afternoon from Perth, Australia. Thank you so much to all the followers, everyone following my page. My name is Rebecca. I'm the face behind this amazing business page. Thank you so much for your comments, for your likes, and thank you for to all the new followers following this page. It's been a while. I haven't been here for a while, and so I thought, why not come on live today? Just to answer some of the questions that I have been getting from people who are interested in this business. Before I go into the question, I'm just going to introduce myself for the sake of those who are seeing me for the first time or those who don't know who I am. So, my name is Rebecca. I'm originally from Ghana. I migrated or left Ghana after my secondary school education. I went to London. I went to college in London, and then I continued to university. I studied nursing at King's College London. I graduated with my nursing degree, and I worked there for 4 years. And then got married, had my daughter, and then moved on. We moved to Australia. So currently, I'm in Perth, Western Australia, and the time here is 2:16 p.m. So good afternoon from Perth, Australia. Now, I'm also, like I said, I got married, so I'm here with my husband, and I've got three kids now. So all the ages from 4 to 10. I've got two beautiful girls and a handsome boy. So proud of them all. So thank you so much. I'm also a registered nurse by profession, and I'm also currently doing my master's in public health. I've only got one more unit this semester, and then I'm done with that. Of course, as a mom, when you want to add studies, family first. So these studies has taken a long time, but here I am. I'm still here. So thank you so much. If you come online, please like, share. I've got Lucy online. Thank you so much, Lucy, my coach, boss lady. Thank you. Thank you for joining me online. So, like I said before, yes, Lucy is watching from Sweden. Thank you, Lucy, for watching. So, I'm here to answer just some of the questions that I normally get from people who are interested in this business. So, one of the questions, this is going to be a short talk. I want to do this regularly, maybe once a week or once every other week, just to come here and then answer one of the questions or some of the questions that people have been asking or some of the concerns that people have going online or doing this online business. And one of the main things that I have usually or last week, someone who signed up for the webinar just was so concerned and she asked me, Rebecca, I don't have a lot of Facebook friends. Will I still be able to do this business and be successful? And I really smiled. I smiled because, yes, it's some people think when you say, online or digital business, you need to have lots of friends to follow you or lots of friends to be with you. But that is not how it works, okay? And that is why I wanted to come here and come and explain that. Yes, first of all, this is a digital business. So we all know it's what a business online. We are doing business online. It's also social marketing. So we are using different social media platforms to promote this business, to let people know about this business opportunity so that they can come in and then also see if it's something that they can do. So this person I'm talking about, I hope she's hearing me or she'll watch this later. So if you come and you're watching, please like listen date, let us know where you're watching from and also share to other people. If you have any question, drop it in the comments section and I will answer you or I will do a new video on that because I know that some questions other people are asking the same questions. So instead of answering people one on one, I thought if I turn it into a short clip or a short video, it will go a long way to help many others. So back to the question, I don't have a lot of Facebook friends. Will I be a success at this business or would I still be able to do this business? And the short answer, I'll give you the short answer and then I'll go into the long answer. The short answer is yes, you can still do this business because we always say that our business is not, we don't encourage you or we don't teach you to go after your friends. We don't teach you there's no bagging of friends. You are not going to recruit any friends. We don't do that. There are people in our community. Remember, we have a community of more than 120,000 members globally. So you don't need to go to friends or try and just add people to your Facebook just to build up friends so that you'll be able to be a success in this business. No, it doesn't work like that. That is not our business model. That is not our business model. We don't teach people to go after their friends. And that is why I said the short answer to this question is that no, you don't need to have lots of friends to build this business because you are not building your business on your friends. You are not building your business on your friends. There are people in this business who did not even have a Facebook page or account to start off with in the first place. They just saw an ad maybe on YouTube or Twitter because remember, we use different platforms, not just Facebook. Not just Facebook. Some people think because they see us here, maybe we are only using this one. No, we use different. We teach you, we train you different, whichever one you are comfortable with. We train you to use those platforms. So there are some people or some business owners who never had any Facebook account. They never had any Facebook account, but they saw adverts on YouTube or Twitter or other platforms and they jump on board. And as usual, or for as per the training helped them to be able to what? Get a Facebook page set up. It doesn't mean that you need one to be able to, it doesn't mean that you need friends on Facebook to be able to run this business. Let's see, Lucy has said something here. You don't need a lot of Facebook friends to run this business. We don't need you bagging friends and family. That's exactly what I'm saying. Thank you so much, Lucy. And that is what I'm saying, that I'm trying to tell this friend who asked me this question that you don't need that because her concern is that she hasn't got thousands and thousands of friends. So how is she going to be a success at this business? And I'm telling her that you don't need to have a lot of Facebook friends to run this business. All you need to do is we will teach you how to set up an account. Even if you've never had a Facebook account before, we will teach you how to set up a Facebook account step by step using our video-based training. And through that, from the training, we will teach you how to be able to make your business, present your business to the audience, the right audience. Because remember, not every one of your friends is a right audience. Not every one of your friends will come along. Most people started this business, and even their friends who they think will come along, who they were happy to share this opportunity with, they were the person who didn't want to know. So don't rely on friends. We don't rely on friends to run this business. Just like any other business, you can't say you are going to start a coffee shop because your friends drink coffee or because your friends wear this particular watch or play with this particular game. So you're going to do a business in that field. No, that business will run out when you run out of friends list, because if you're going to depend upon your friends to build your business, then when you have gone through all your friends list, let's take it for example, Facebook has a maximum friends list of what? 5,000. You can have maximum 5,000 friends. So let's say, for example, I know it will not happen, but let's say that your friends are so genuine, they are so supportive, they want to come along with you in this amazing business. And let's say you have the maximum 5,000 Facebook friends and they all come along. What happens next? You still have to keep building your business. So that would be great if they will all come along. But maybe out of the 5,000, maybe you only have 1% or 2% coming along. And that is why I want to really treat this question, that don't be put off by the number of friends you have on Facebook. Whether you have 5 friends, 2 friends, 10 friends, when you come into this business, the friendship that you are going to make, it's more than the 5,000 friends Facebook limit gives you. You will be automatically belong to a family of 120,000 people globally. So you are going to get more friends than you even want, because there are some people living in the group who says that they don't even accept friends from the group because the limit is 5,000. So you can't accept everyone in the platform as your friend. That is why it's important for you to know that you don't need a lot of Facebook friends to be a success in this business. So I hope I have answered that question, and I hope that anyone who has concerns about this will now be able to know that they don't need that. We don't, it's not a business model for you to go chasing after your friends. We don't do that. So this is just a quick video to answer some of the questions, which I will call what? A digital business question time with Rebecca. So this is it. Today's question, like I said, is can I do this digital business without having lots of friends? Like I said, this question came directly from one of my friends, and if she's watching, I wanted to comment there. She someone recommended her to come to me to help her to start her online business, and she was concerned that she hasn't got a lot of Facebook friends. And I was trying to let her know that you don't need a lot of Facebook friends to run this business, because the whole world is your platform. The audience are everywhere, and that is where our training comes in, to teach you to be able to present this business to the people, the right people, not just your friends or family. If you are fortunate to have friends and family who are also positive minded, who are also ready to have some personal development and grow themselves, and they are ready to look into this business, then that's amazing. That is great. Why not go for it? But that is not what is the business this business is all about. The success of this business does not depend on the number of Facebook friends that you have. The number of Facebook friends or your followers doesn't matter at all. This business runs on the training that we train you. If you are coachable and if you are ready to be able to take, instructions and follow the training that we give you, you are going to succeed. People have started this business and they are still running it without having lots of Facebook friends or even followers. They don't have that, but they are running the business. And that is the beauty of this business. No one can stop you, no one can be in your way, whether they want to come with you or not. This is a business that you can start and just run with it. Doesn't matter how many friends you have. I just want to chip in one example from the Bible as well. Remember Joseph. Joseph had a dream, and Joseph wanted to what? He told his family the dream, but the family stood against him. The family were not happy with his dream. Joseph went on and he went to, he went to fulfill his dream, which means that with a dream that you have, it's your dream. It's your dream, and you have to take the necessary steps to be able to fulfill that dream. So you don't have to rely on who is coming or who is not coming. Sometimes the very people that you want to rely on, the very people that you trust, the very people that you want to share the joy with, they are the same people who will not come along with you. They are the same people who might put some fear in you, because they know you, they know your weaknesses, they know you, they don't understand why you want to get out of your comfort zone. They are happy with you in your comfort zone. So when you want to get out of your comfort zone, they might say things. Sometimes it's out of love, sometimes out of ignorance, sometimes out of fear. It's up to you who wants to make that change happen. It's up to you to be able to step out in faith and do that. So I just wanted to make this video a 10 minutes or 15 minutes video. I don't want to go too far. I don't want to take too much of your time. I want you to be very snappy so that when you come, you get the answer to the question that I'm treating. And that is the answer. No, you don't need a lot of Facebook friends to run this. Even if you haven't got a Facebook account, that is fine. Wherever you see an ad, you can come into this business. We will teach you everything step by step to be able to create your own Facebook account and also a business page. So I've got a personal Facebook account and I've also got a business page. You are watching this video on my business account, which I'm going to share onto my personal page. So that is how it works. I hope I've answered your question. And if you have any other question, don't hesitate to just WhatsApp me or DM me, just message me and let's have a chat. Now, today is Tuesday. I'm going to take the opportunity to also invite you to our free webinar. We hold two live webinars twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now, for us living in Australia or this side, it normally happens the next day. So the Tuesday and the Wednesday and the Thursdays are mainly for those living in Canada and US. And for us in Australia, it's normally the next day in the morning. So today is Tuesday. It will be happening at 5 p.m. tonight. But for Australians, it's happening here 8 a.m. on Wednesday and 8 a.m. on Fridays. So I invite you to Come, join along. Just come and get some free information. See if this is something that will appeal to you. See if this is something that you want to look into it further. So I invite you to our free webinar. Register your name and your email address, and we'll send you the free a link to join our live webinar, or you can watch a replay. And you can just go straight to Rebecca www.rebeccadigitalgroup.com. That is where you'll be able to register to attend our live webinar or have a replay sent to you. Just information, no obligation, risk free. So, what is stopping you? Take a leap of faith today. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.